In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for GPS location in Google Forms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add a section in your Google form where respondents can easily input or share their location details. Let's get started by heading over to your Google Drive. If you're not already there, simply navigate to the Google Drive homepage and log in if needed. Once you are in Google Drive, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the New button. This button is usually found in the upper left-hand corner of the interface. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, giving you a variety of Google document options to choose from. Next, select Google Forms from this list. If you don't see it right away, you might need to hover over More to display additional Google apps. Once you click Google Forms, a new tab or window should open up, showing you a blank form ready for customization. Now that you have your blank form, take a moment to customize it to fit the context of your collection. After giving your form a title, it's time to add your location question. In the form, click to create a new question, and in the question field just type something like "please provide your location" or any other phrasing that suits your needs. When the question is ready, you need to choose the answer type. For location information, a short answer or paragraph field generally works best. Both options will allow respondents to manually enter their location details. You'll find these options in a drop-down menu on the right side of the question field. Making the question required can be helpful to ensure that everyone filling out your form provides their location. To do this, look for the required toggle switch right below your question and click it to turn it on. With your question set, it's time to make the form available to others. First, you'll want to click on Publish to ready the form for sharing. This often appears as a button in the upper right corner of the form editor. After clicking this, you can share your form through various means. A simple way to share is via email. Click on the share icon or button, often represented by a paper airplane or send icon. Enter the emails of your intended recipients, then hit Done or Send. Alternatively, if you prefer to distribute the form through other channels, you can click Get Link to obtain a shareable link. With this link, you can copy and paste it in a chat on social media or anywhere else you choose. After generating the link, click Copy to save it to your clipboard, and then you can send it out via your preferred method. And that's it, you've successfully created a Google form that requests GPS location information.